Hey, it's David. Let's do a quick channel update. For once, I'm not filming in the shed. I'm actually up in the house because, as you might be able to guess, for now the shed is out of bounds. You'll have to forgive my voice a bit. It's not yet recovered, or I should say my throat has not yet recovered from the operation. So let's see, where am I? What am I doing? Right, well, last weekend I was a little bit clumsy, which resulted in having a chat with some nice paramedics who then took me down to A&E, and then spending a few fun hours with the doctors and nurses there, and then into surgery. So I'm now back out, but I'm in the early stages of recovery. So although I still have full use of my hand, I'm a little bit limited in what I'm able to do. And that's going to stop me getting down the shed to do the stuff I need to do, because I'm not really in a state to use power tools or welders and that sort of stuff. And even trying to lift stuff, I'm just not able to do it because the bones are still setting at this point. So the channel's going to be a bit quiet. I'm going to have to see what I'm going to do going forward, and it'll give me a bit of a chance to reflect on where I am and what I'm doing. So you'll just have to be a little bit patient with me for the next couple of months, but it will give me a chance to reflect on where I am, what I've been doing, and where I want to take the channel going forward. Now, if any of you guys have got anything you want to suggest or anything else, what you like, what you don't like, what you think I could do better, and so forth, then this is a perfect time to actually put that forward and let me know what you think. So anyway, I'm going to catch you guys again soon, because I do have a quick update on the electrics for the Bandit, but I'm away next week and I do really need to have a bit of rest and recovery time. So I'm going to put that up when I come back. It will be quick because there's a limit of how much I can do on the bike at the moment. I don't think I can pull the switch blocks apart to actually check the actual wiring and so forth, but I do have an update and I will get that to you as soon as I can. So for the moment, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys again soon.